Hey, hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn on explicit sensitive content for Telegram and turn off the filter. Now I'm going to show you this on a mobile device, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is open up your Telegram application. Now here you're probably going to see and check if you can turn off this filter. It's not possible. What we want to do, we want to go to Safari and open up the web.telegram.org application, the website, and sign in. I'm going to sign in real quick. I'll be right back. Now, once you've signed into your web browser on Telegram, it's very easy. We go to the top left corner where the three stripes appear, and from out here we go to the settings. Now, inside these settings, we scroll all the way up till we find the privacy and security tab right here. And from out here, we scroll all the way down till you see sensitive content. Now here you can disable filtering, and that's about it. Now the filter is gone and you can see all content on your Telegram application. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.